Please subscribe and do not forget to click the bell icon so that you can always stay connected with Nakoda Education and Home Tutors.
Now let's talk about Earth's gravitational acceleration. Now what is meant by Earth's gravitational acceleration? So the acceleration produced by Earth's gravitational force, is called acceleration due to gravity or Earth's gravitational acceleration. So the acceleration जो gravitational force अर्थ का जो gravitational force है उसकी वजह से produce हो रहा है, that is called as Earth's gravitational force, Earth's gravitational acceleration or acceleration due to gravity, and its magnitude is denoted by small g. It is directed towards the center of, or towards the Earth's center. Now the formula of G is equal to Gm upon R square. For R, it is either more than or equal to capital R, and this R is radius of the Earth. Now it depends on the location of the body. It depends on the location of the body. So gravitational acceleration क्या है? जो acceleration Earth's के gravitational force से produce हो रहा है in the body, that is called as acceleration due to gravity or Earth's gravitational force. Magnitude जो है gravitational acceleration की, that is denoted by small g, and it is directed towards the Earth's center. Now the formula of G, that capital small g, is equal to Gm upon R square, where R is greater than or equal to capital R, that is the radius of the Earth. Now let's talk about value for G on the surface of the Earth. Now we can calculate the value of G. I'll write it here. We can calculate the value of G by using Newton's universal law of gravitation for an object of mass m situated situated at a distance r from the center of the earth. Now the law of gravitation gives F is equal to Gmm upon r square. Now here m is the mass of the earth, and we know that F is equal to mg. So from these two equations we can say that mg is equal to Gmm upon r square. So we can calculate the value here. So G is equal to Gm upon r square. So if the object is situated, on the surface of the earth, small r is equal to capital R, that is the radius of the earth. And therefore the value of G is G on the surface of the earth is G is equal to Gm upon r square. So now we know that the value of G, or the unit of G in SI units is meter per second square, and we know that the mass and the radius of the earth, is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg and 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meters respectively. That is, the mass of the earth is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg and the radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meters. So let's substitute these values in the equation, that is G is equal to Gm upon r square. We know the value of capital G, that is the gravitational constant, and it is 6 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton. So G is equal to, value of G is 6 into 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 into the value of M, that is the mass of the earth, is 6 into 10 raised to 24. upon r square is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 square, that is r square. So the answer is 9.77 meter per second square. So G is equal to 9.77 meter per second square. Now this acceleration depends, this acceleration depends only on the mass, that is capital M, and the radius that is capital R, radius of the earth, and so the value, the acceleration, so the acceleration due to gravity at a given point is same for all objects. It does not depend on the properties of the object. So जो वैल्यू ऑफ जी हमने निकाली है ऑन द अर्थ्स सरफेस, सो ये कैसे कैलकुलेट की गई है? बाय यूजिंग न्यूटन्स यूनिवर्सल लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन. सो यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट का मास जो है दैट इज स्मॉल m एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट इज सिचुएटेड एट अ डिस्टेंस r फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ. सो जो लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन है वो क्या फॉर्मूला देता है? दैट इज F इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल G कैपिटल M स्मॉल m अपॉन r स्क्वायर, वेयर G क्या है? ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट, M इज द मास ऑफ द अर्थ and small m is the mass of the object. R square because it is distance of the object from the center of the earth. Now we know that F is equal to small m and small g. So mg is equal to, हमने derive किया है F की जगह हमने क्या पुट किया है? mg. So mg is equal to gmm upon r square. So g की वैल्यू वैसे निकाली, m यहाँ पे गया and कैंसिल हो गए mm. सो g इज इक्वल टू gm अपॉन r स्क्वायर. ना यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है हमने? इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज सिचुएटेड ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ, अगर ऑब्जेक्ट अर्थ के सरफेस पे है देन स्मॉल r इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल R. स्मॉल r की जो वैल्यू है दैट विल बी इक्वल टू द कैपिटल R, दैट एंड कैपिटल R क्या है? दैट इज द रेडियस ऑफ द अर्थ. सो दस द वैल्यू ऑफ g, स्मॉल g की वैल्यू जो रहेगी ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ, इट विल बी स्मॉल g इज इक्वल टू gm अपॉन r स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे r जो है दैट इज द रेडियस ऑफ द अर्थ. ना स्मॉल g का जो यूनिट है इन SI यूनिट दैट इज मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर, एंड हम अगर वैल्यूज यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं, कैपिटल N दैट इज द मास ऑफ द अर्थ क्या है? 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg, एंड r की वैल्यू रेडियस ऑफ द अर्थ क्या है? 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meters. Gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. So we are just substituting the values here in the formula. So the value of G will be 9.77 in meter per second square. Now हम यहाँ पे क्या बता रहे हैं? The value of G depends only on the mass. जो अर्थ का मास एंड रेडियस है सिर्फ उस पर डिपेंड करता है. So the acceleration, जो भी acceleration रहेगा at given point on the surface of the earth will be same for all objects. एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन, ये एक्सेलरेशन की वैल्यू जो है या g की वैल्यू जो है, दैट डज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट.